market leader in DFI spares. Rajneesh TS9000, certified manufacturer of diesel fuel injection spares, turned and grinded components, milled components, sheet metal components, connecting rods, rubber components, all pressure die cast components. Employing around 1,000 people in shop floor area exceeding 100,000 square feet. Rajneesh is the outcome of long hard work and dedication of its workforce and is a brainchild of a visionary, the CMD of the group, Mr. Rajneesh Ahuja. Dreams come true only if executed well. Rajneesh Group of Industries is the perfect example of marvelous execution. The flagship company is being ably taken further on progress path by very enthusiastic and knowledgeable Mr. Rahul Ahuja, MD of the group. Rajneesh Group of Industries is started in 1976 from a small manufacturing unit which has now grown into multi-divisional and multi-product entity and is among the best quality manufacturer of diesel fuel injection spares. Regular innovations, quality standardizations, dedication and commitment of staff have led customer satisfaction year after year. Ultra-modern techniques of CAD, CAM have been employed to develop new components and design as per customers' satisfactions. Rajneesh Group of Industries enjoys substantial goodwill and brand equity. The products are very well appreciated by the customers in America, Europe, Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia, besides the length and the breadth of India. Welcome to professional and growing world of Rajneesh Group of Industries. World-class CNC turning machines, both with linear and indexing tooling, are used for machining critical dimensions. The in-house programmers are able to develop cost-effective and high-quality solutions for the most intricate and accurate machining operations. The high-quality machines ensures high-end repeatability and accuracy. CNC polygon machines are used to make multi-profiled polygons in the shortest possible time and highest possible finish and size control. A fully equipped standards room caters to all the requirements of component designing, machining, process control and statistical quality control. All the records and requirements of TS9000 are met by the fully trained staff of the standards room. High pressure die casting technique is applied to cost intricate products. 3-stage injection is used to ensure porosity-free casting with accurate dimensional and geometrical controls of tolerances. Proper control of temperature and pressure is maintained with the computerized control panel, which ensures synchronized movements of all the sliders, core and cavity, and timely ejection of the casting. All these procedures is done on world-class automatic machine. The molds are designed in 2D and 3D on CAD software, which is directly coupled to the vertical machining center for quick and precise mold machining. The intricate corners are made on the computerized EDM machines, which precisely control the current for accurate spark erosion. The fattled casting are barreled in centrifugal tumblers for deburring and rounding. These are further rubbed with finishing media to give a smooth finish and luster. shot peening technique is also used to give a matte look while maintaining the whiteness of the castings. Computerized internal grinders are used for 3-stage bore grinding with automatic intermediate dressing and compensation. Oil mist and grease lubricated spindles are used, which generate RPM of more than 35,000. A vast number of centerless grinding machines have been put in use. Grinding wheels up to 10 inches long are used for high accuracy of dimensions, roundness and surface finish. Hundreds of in-house designed and fabricated multi-tool automats have been put in use. These machines eliminates the skill of the operator, and mostly one operator can handle 2 to 3 such machines. The machines are tooled up in such a way that all the cutting operations are carried out in single setting by up to 100 tools working simultaneously on one machine. This ensures cylindricity, parallelism, perpendicularity, squareness and concentricity. The development of these machines has put engineering skills to its limit and quality to satisfaction. Horizontal and vertical milling machines have been deployed for rack cutting of fine module. The process is on auto feed to ensure consistency of size. Gear shaping technology is being used to make different type of gears with accurate sizing and profile. Pull type broaching machines have been put in place for making intricate profiles in the inner diameters. Hundreds of power presses from 10 to 150 tons are used for punching, blanking, bending and drawing operations. Compound and progressive tools are used for economical and accurate job. A comprehensive inspection laboratory has been set for final testing of nozzles, elements and delivery valves. A stringent adherence to specification is ensured to deliver products of original quality. This $1 million laboratory has provision for checking all the dimensional, functional and geometrical parameters that correspond to the original drawings. Each and every piece is thoroughly inspected to provide highest level of performance of these critical parts. Connecting rods are being made of alloy steel, refined grain and stress release material. The critical dimensions like center distance, bend, twist are maintained on in-house designed and fabricated machines which are doing all the operations in one setting. Technically, this procedure is the best way. The final grinding is done on CNC internal grinder, thus ensuring accurate size and surface finish. High pressure diesel engine pipes which ensures consistency of profile. The pipe ends are being formed on automatic machine. Cold forged nuts are used to avoid micro cracks. The pipes are thoroughly cleaned and individually pressure tested before assembling on the fixture. Rubber O-rings, oil seals, reinforced sheets and packaging are manufactured in a comprehensive plant which takes natural rubber as its raw material, from which different compounds are made in the first phase in the formulation plant. These compounds of NBR, nitrile and Viton are fed in the automatic temperature and pressure controlled hydraulic machines to make rubber products of different shapes and sizes. High quality molds made on computerized machines are used to make flash-free products. special purpose machines for turning, grinding, forming are designed and made in-house. This technologically advanced department has put Rajneesh Group as front-runner in quality and cost effectiveness. The machines made in this department are solely used for in-house consumption, thus providing an edge over competition. The machines are specially tooled up to have the optimum number of tools so as to complete maximum machining operations in one setting to ensure complete control over dimensions and form geometry. A special diesel test bench has been made to check the performance of all the products during research and development. Looking at the future, diagnosis equipment and innovative tools have been developed to test and repair ultra-modern common rail diesel injection system. The success ratio of repairing a damaged CRDI system is more than 90%, which is a benchmark in the field. The promoters of the group have founded charitable trust for the cause of education and health to the needy. A modern, fully air-conditioned and hygienic charitable hospital has been set up in the industrial area to provide health care to the poor industrial workers. The management puts in more than 100,000 every month to sustain this noble cause. Highly qualified doctors have been engaged and best and branded medicines are given to the patients. All these services are provided almost free to everyone. The OPD averages more than 100 patients every day.